The front bumper can be removed with the vehicle on the ground, but for ease and clarity, we recommend lifting the vehicle if it's the first time doing it. Begin by safely raising and supporting your vehicle as well as removing the front wheels. Please follow the link provided after the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Detach the front under tray by removing the 10 T30 Torx screws, red arrows. We have our tray already removed. For the front wheel well, there are a total of 19 T25 Torx screws and two 10mm nuts holding the wheel well liner. Starting with the screws closest to the suspension, begin by removing the visible T25 Torx screws indicated by red arrows. The one T25 Torx screw on the underside, blue arrow, and then the T25 Torx screws along the edge of the rim, green arrows. Do all the following steps on both sides of the vehicle. While some people just remove enough for the wheel well liner holding the front bumper area, if you're doing this for the first time, remove the liner entirely. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with removing the liner. Remove the three T25 Torx screws holding the bottom under the vehicle, red arrows. Release the headlights by using the Porsche headlight tool located in your vehicle's toolkit. Disconnect the electrical connection and then set the headlights aside somewhere safe. Inside the passenger wheel well, you will need to disconnect the three electrical plugs by using a flathead screwdriver and gently rotating the tab, red arrows. If your vehicle has a headlight cleaner function, you will need to unclip the headlight cleaner tube along the rim of the passenger wheel well, green arrow. On both sides, disconnect the turn signal electrical connection by pressing on the release tab, red arrow. On both sides, remove the two T25 Torx screws holding the bumper to the top of the wheel well liner, red arrows. Again, on both sides, remove the two T25 Torx screws holding the bumper to the bottom of the wheel well liner and indicated by the red arrows. Disconnect both wheel well trim pieces by pulling and releasing the clips along the edge of the wheel well, red arrow. Once both sides have been done, remove the 5 T30 Torx screws holding the front of the bumper to the top, red arrows. Pull slightly down at the corners of the bumper and pull it off and away from the body. Make sure to set the bumper down on a soft padded area to avoid scratches. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.